I welcome you all for the session on Introduction to AutoCAD. We will see what are the contents of this particular session. Introduction, release dates of few versions, different fields in AutoCAD, workspaces, toolbars in AutoCAD 2D and toolbars in AutoCAD 3D. This is what we will learn in this particular video. First one is introduction. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a commercial computer aided design and drafting software application. It is used in many industries by architects, project managers, engineers, graphic designers, city planners, and other professionals. Let us see what are the release versions, what are the dates, what will be the years of release. You can observe this. For initial release, it is December 1982, and from 2010, every year the AutoCAD software has been released. You can observe by these dates that, for example, if I take it as 2010 version is released on 24 March 2009, which is 1 year before the year. The latest version is 2021 has been released in the March 2020. Different fields in AutoCAD. AutoCAD is used in many fields, among them civil, AutoCAD civil, AutoCAD electrical, AutoCAD SCAD, AutoCAD map 3D, AutoCAD mechanical, AutoCAD MEP, AutoCAD structural detailing, AutoCAD utility design, AutoCAD P&ID, AutoCAD plant 3D, and AutoCAD architecture. These are the different fields that which AutoCAD has been used right now. Among them, civil will use it for civil planning, mechanical will use for view orientation detailing. They'll give orthographic drawing, orthographic projection views in AutoCAD software. Now what we will see what are the workspaces in AutoCAD. AutoCAD we have 2D and 3-dimensional workspaces. 2D is for 2D layout, 3D is for 3D representation. What are the major toolbars in AutoCAD 2D? Draw, modify, annotations, layers, blocks, properties, group, parametric, and view. These are the major toolbars in AutoCAD 2D. Draw is for drawing, modify is for modification, annotation is for texting, layers is for color coding, blocks is for block representation, properties, and group and parametric, and view. View is for seeing the different orientation planes from top view, front view, similar to that other all orthographic views. What are the major toolbars in AutoCAD 3D? Modeling, meshing, solid editing, section, coordinates, view, and visualize. These are the major toolbars in AutoCAD 3D. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe for further AutoCAD videos. I am Vijay R who created this video.